Ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel and sharing your passion with the world? Imagine the possibilities. You could reach millions, even billions with your unique content. YouTube is a platform that invites creativity, encourages innovation, and celebrates expression. You can make videos about anything: cooking, gaming, music, travel, you name it. It's a canvas for your creativity and a stage for your voice. Well, if you've been on the fence about it, let's dive right into how you can start your own YouTube channel. First things first, you need to decide what your channel is going to be about. Now this is where the magic truly begins. Selecting a niche is like choosing the flavor of your channel. It should align with your passion and interest. Why? Imagine waking up every day to do something you love. That's the kind of energy your viewers will feel. It's also crucial to be unique and authentic in your content. In a sea of videos, your unique perspective is your lifeboat. Let's think about some popular niches. There's lifestyle, tech reviews, cooking, travel, education, comedy, the list goes on. Each of these niches thrives because the creators bring their own flavor to the table. But don't get too caught up in what's popular. The secret sauce is you. Your passion, your perspective, your creativity. That's what makes your channel stand out. Remember, the niche you choose should be something you're passionate about. This will keep you motivated to create content. Now that you have your niche, it's time to set up your channel. Let's get started. To create your YouTube channel, you first need a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry. It's a simple process. Head over to Google's homepage and click on Create Account. Follow the prompts, providing your name, desired email address, and create a secure password. Once your Google account is in place, it's time to leap into the world of YouTube. Navigate to YouTube's main page, click on Sign In at the top right corner, and enter your new Google credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right, then select Create a Channel. Now here's where your creativity comes into play. You'll need to choose a channel name. Make this catchy, something that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Next, you'll be prompted to add a profile picture. This is your first impression, so make it count. Choose a professional-looking image that represents your brand. Finally, fill out your basic profile information. Be concise but informative. Let people know what they can expect from your channel. Remember, first impressions are everything. Your channel name, profile picture, and information are the first things potential subscribers will see. So, make them count. And voila, your YouTube channel is now set up and ready for content. Creating content is the heart of your YouTube channel. At the epicenter of this wonderful journey, you'll be scripting, filming, and editing your very first video. Let's break this down. Scripting is your first step. Jot down your ideas, structure them, and create a clear, engaging narrative. This is the backbone of your content, so make it count. Next, we dive into filming. Here's where you get to bring your script to life. Remember, good lighting is your best friend. It can transform an average shot into something truly cinematic. Now, on to editing. This is where the magic happens. Trim, tweak, and polish your footage until it shines. And let's not forget about audio. Clear, crisp sound is just as important as your visuals. It's the difference between your audience clicking like or next. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It's all about learning and improving as you go. Finally, let's talk about growing your channel. The path to a flourishing YouTube channel is paved with consistency. It's about showing up week after week with great content. But it's not just about creating videos, it's about creating a community. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel heard and appreciated. Now, let's not forget the power of search engine optimization, or SEO. By using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you increase your channel's visibility and attract more viewers. But here's another secret: collaborations and promotions. Collaborating with other YouTubers can expose your channel to a whole new audience. And don't shy away from promotions. Whether it's a shout out in your video or a sponsored post, promotions can give your channel a significant boost. Growing your channel takes time, but with consistency and engagement, your audience will grow. So what are you waiting for? Just imagine the endless potential and exciting possibilities that come with starting your own YouTube channel. It's a chance to share your passion with the world. Start your YouTube journey today. Remember, the world needs what you have to offer. Get started now.